Welcome, in front of me is a Vernee Apollo Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key till you see the boot options, and from here you want to hold the restart. So make sure you hold it, and it will pop up with this reboot to safe mode message, so just confirm it by tapping on OK and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, the device is now back on, and let me just put in the pin for the SIM card. But you can already see safe mode message right here, so the device is now in the desired mode. So that is how you would enter it, and if you want to leave safe mode, simply reboot the device. So again, hold the power key, and this time instead of holding the restart, just tap on it and restart, and when the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And you can see that now the safe mode message is gone and the device is back in the normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.